Pandora FMS MySQL monitoring through discovery. Hello and welcome to a new Pandora FMS video. In today's video, we will learn how to remotely monitor MySQL using discovery applications. This feature is available from Pandora FMS version 7.33. First, go to Discovery Applications MySQL. A configuration box will open where you will find the following parameters to define. Task name. It is the name of the MySQL monitoring task. Discovery server. Here are the server that will execute the specified task. Group. The group it will belong to. It is mainly an organizational element and all agents involved in the task will be assigned to that group. MySQL server IP. Enter the IP of the server where the MySQL environment will be monitored. In case of multiple targets, separate them by commas. MySQL server port. In this field, type in the port of the specified address through which MySQL monitoring information will be obtained. User. Here, add the MySQL user you will access with. Important, it must be a user with permissions on the database where the queries will be executed, since otherwise connection would not be possible. Password. This password must be that of the MySQL user specified above. Interval. Time interval when monitoring will be executed. In case of selecting the define option, you will be able to choose or customize the time that will go by between the task and the recognition task. If you choose manual, the task will be launched and repeated only when you force it. Once all the fields are completed, click Next. You will be shown a new window where you must specify the agent on which you wish to create all the modules resulting from MySQL monitoring. In addition, you will find the following options. Custom module prefix. Here you may define a custom prefix that will be concatenated with the name of the modules generated by the task. Scan databases. This option will scan the databases. Create agent per database. This option will allow an agent to be created for each database found in MySQL environment. Check engine uptime. It will check the time that the MySQL engine is operational. Retrieve query statistics. It allows to recover the statistics of the executed queries. Analyze connections. If you want the connections to be analyzed. Retrieve InnoDB statistics. It returns InnoDB statistics. Retrieve cache statistics. It returns cache statistics. And finally, custom queries, which allows you to define custom sentences. With this option, you may obtain the information you want customized. Following the example shown, you should define the following tags. First, check _begin. This will be the start tag. Name. Here, set the name of the module that will be created later. Operation. It may be value and full. Value will return a single value, while full will return all the rows in a string. Target. Here you have to set the select to be carried out so that it is executed. Data type. This is the type of data to be obtained, which could be generic underscore data, generic underscore data underscore string, or generic underscore PROC. The rest of the fields like min underscore warning, max underscore warning, etc. They will allow you to define values and thresholds to set the warning and critical states. And finally, it will be closed with the check underscore end tag. Once all these options are configured, click Finish and the task will be created in the task list along with the others. Click Force Task so that the scanning process will start and a new agent will be created that you may find in your agent list. In Resources, Manage Agents. There you may find the modules and data obtained thanks to the discovery task created previously. Usually, you will find the MySQL connection module that will tell you whether you are connected to the MySQL database and other metrics that can refer to InnoDB, memory and CPU usage, tables, or the queries themselves. And that was it for today's video. I hope it was useful, and remember, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow us on our social networks and contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much. Bye!